Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials. Check kickoff in your local time zone and confirm the broadcaster holding rights. Next, log into the streaming app or cable provider, use saved credentials or reset now if needed. Make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or wired network and plug it in if battery is low. Once done, close background apps that steal bandwidth. This reduces buffering and ensures the stream begins promptly, which is crucial when kickoff is minutes away. Now you focus on getting the best viewing setup. Open the match feed and pick the main broadcast or an alternate camera and language as you prefer. This delivers the intended commentary and visuals. Set stream quality to automatic for variable networks, or lock to 720p/1080p if your bandwidth exceeds about 5 Mbps for smooth playback. If watching on TV, connect via HDMI or cast from the app. Then check audio sync. Finish by running a quick full screen check and letting the stream warm up a minute before kickoff. If you see stalls, restart the app or the device. This often clears cached errors and reestablishes the stream. If geo restrictions block access, consider a VPN only when permitted. Make sure latency remains acceptable. Keep a backup plan, tune to a radio feed, or open a second device with the same account. Tip: if buffering repeats, lower quality and reconnect. Most issues resolve that way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.